Holy shit, guys. Look what we did. Today is December 11th, 2022, and we have officially hit 1,000 subscribers. This is super exciting. I never really thought that this was going to grow like this, and it's just super exciting. Our work is not completed yet because we still do not have the watch time for monetization. So anybody out there that's bored, put it on your TV, your smart TV, your tablets, watch me while you're eating breakfast. I need to boost watch time a little bit. We're close, but not quite there. I never really thought that we were gonna get this far, and we've only just begun. Next stop is 10,000, so let's do it. About a year ago, I made a promise that we were going to build the Prius to be an off-road truck when I hit 1,000 subscribers. Right now, we have a couple hundred followers, 250, 260, somewhere in that range. But I told Matt that if we get 1,000 subscribers, we're going to hack the shit out of it. We're going to lift it, put off-road tires on it, and take it to Roush Creek. But only gonna do that if I could hit 1,000 subscribers. So we'll be doing just that. She's going to get a lift kit, some big old tires. I'm thinking 30s maybe. We're gonna take the bumpers off, do tube bumpers, a winch, a roof rack, all that kind of stuff. We're gonna give her a nice wrap, put some graphics on it, and then we're gonna take it to Roush Creek Off-Road Park, where we took the 4Runner to shake her down. And we're gonna off-road the Prius. That's going to happen over the course of the spring, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that, because that's gonna be fun. Speaking of off-roading, Summer is due for some work as well, and her triumphant return to Roush Creek. So make sure you hit subscribe right down there, little red button. Make sure that you hit that notification bell, or as Bobby likes to say, ring my ding-a-ling down below, and never miss an episode. I think I'm going to take January off. We need a break. It's been an exhausting year and a half that I've been doing weekly videos here on YouTube. It's been a lot of work. We made it 2,000. We made it 2,000 by the end of the year, which was kind of my goal. And I'm gonna take a month off. But I will be back in February. We're gonna have the Prius build. We are going to start working on the B-Modster again. We're gonna go racing with Skip Barber Racing. Lots of big stuff coming in that world. We're gonna do some more autocross videos. We're gonna go four-wheeling in the 4Runner. We're gonna go four-wheeling in the Prius. There is so much content that I want to bring you guys along for. So when I come back, make sure you're notified. So hit that little notification bell. It's the little bell, jingle it. It'll send you a notification when a new video comes up so that you don't miss it. I will be back. I promise. I'm coming back. Thank you, every single one of you, all 131,000 viewers that I've had on the channel, the 1,000 of you that have subscribed. Thank you to every single one of you guys. It means a lot. It's pretty cool to be able to hit 1,000 subscribers, just kind of bringing a camera with me on my wild and exciting life. So yeah, I hope you guys stick around. I hope a lot more of you come along. Trying to hit 10,000 by the end of 2023. So we're gonna check in December of next year and see how close we got. That's a tall order, but I know that the growth is exponential. So it's possible. It's still possible. Thank you for watching this video and everything on Counter Steer Garage. And I will see you guys next Taco Tuesday. Click the orange wheel to subscribe and click this video because I think you might like it. See you later.